Hi everyone, I am Sakshap Jain. I am founder of MetaWork. At MetaWork, we are building interoperable and intercommunication layer of Web3. We believe communication is broken right now. We have Web2 products in the world like Facebook, Instagram, and they do not intercommunicate with one another. They fragment your identity and they are very isolated ecosystems. There are certain solutions which Web3 has presented where P2P is one of the solutions, but it has its own limitations. And major drawback is there's no unified infra to connect every protocol and app out there. We propose interoperability becoming the superpower of blockchain in the Web3. Why it matters? Because there are over 1,000 plus protocols and dApps at the present, and it's just a start of Web3 ecosystem. Is it possible to connect each one of them? It's not. And it's too expensive for developers out there to connect one another, all these depths. At MetaWork, we want to solve this with real-time events powered by API streams, messaging, and notifications. As you can see in my current visual, there's a use case of MetaWork SDK presented as messaging, where you can trigger or invoke any protocol and dApp out there with just a slash of command. But this is also possible using notifications and also using API streams. Our infrastructure is chain agnostic. We work with storage layers like Filecoin, social layers like Lens protocol, and we can add other layers like identity, payments, governance, access management. We have interoperable layer where any protocol dApp out there can get whitelisted, add their smart contracts, events to trigger their functions. And we present all this in the form of APIs, notification, and messaging using mobile app, web products, and SDKs. One of the platform that we are building on top of MetaWork SDK is a Discord-like collaboration platform. We as a team believe our technology should be mass adopted, and we want to build one of the product ourselves. Let me show you a quick demo of the product. So this is a collaboration platform that we have built on top of MetaWork SDK. It is integrated with Lens protocol for the social layer. So I sign in with Lens and it fetches my data from MetaMask and it brings my NFT profile. Once I enter into the platform, it gives me a dashboard, which is very similar to Discord, but it is much more powerful than Discord because it's a Web3 product and it is interconnected with so many protocols out there. You can see I can create channels, on-chain channels here, and each channel can be itself connected to Discord. So you can just bring your community over here. But the superpower of MetaWork over here is the interoperability. I can create a slash command and invoke commands on Huddle01, which is a meeting platform, Lens protocol, which is a social layer. So for example, let me find a post from Lens protocol. And it shows me a pop-up with where I can add Lens ID. And it will fetch all the data from Lens protocol and I can just go and share that in the chat. This is also possible for every protocol or dApp out there. It just needs to get whitelisted to our SDK and build on top of us. For example, I can bring snapshot proposals. Like if I want to search for ens.eth and I'll get the proposals from ENS and I can then share this in the chat. Again, this is possible in notifications and even the APIs along with messaging. At present, at MetaWork, we have 1,500 plus community members. We have also sent out 2,000 plus invites to the Lens community. We are closely working with 120 plus devils in the Web3 ecosystem to go out there and help everyone build on top of MetaWork SDK. These are the few of the projects which are early partnerships, building on top of MetaWork and MetaWork integrating them. There are other 15 plus partnerships that are coming in next 1 month on social, wallet, and other infrastructure tooling. Our roadmap for next 1 year is infra and ecosystem. In Q4, we are majorly developing our infra, and you can expect it coming in Q1 with a proper SDK release. Our version 2, which will be much more superior than the current present version, will come in Q2, and we will go beyond Polygon. Q3 is planned for growth run, where we are targeting over 50,000 plus Web3 participants and audience to come on MetaWork SDK in one way or the other. I am 7+ years experienced product engineer and manager, and has been working with companies like Tapchef and Juniline. We are raising 1.5 million for 24 months runway, and majorly 30% of it will go into infrastructure, 25 in team and human capital. Please visit us at metawork.team and do follow and receive updates from Metawork Labs. Thanks.